What is anxiety in simple words? You know what? Anxiety in simple words means fear of unknown. So, if you are that person who has been feeling anxious, or if you have to take care of someone who's feeling anxious, this video can bring magic in your life. So, anxiety means fear of unknown. Now, what is the opposite of anxiety? Have you ever thought about it? No, it's not calmness, it is safety. So, anybody who's feeling anxious doesn't want to feel calm at that time, they want to feel safe at that time. So, when we start feeling anxious, what happens in the brain? The first thing that happens that your brain scans for danger. It starts looking for what might go wrong, what will people think, what can fail. So, it starts scanning for danger. So, your brain is saying that if I scan for danger, I can protect you, I can keep you safe. The second thing that your brain does is makes you overthink. So you overthink to predict the outcomes, to protect yourself, to stay in control, to avoid pain, to prevent mistakes. So when your brain says that if I think it enough, probably I'll be able to avoid the pain. The next thing that your brain does, it creates physical symptoms like your racing heart, shallow breathing, stomach discomfort, any other kind of symptoms. It creates physical symptoms because it is preparing you for fight, flight, or to protect you. The next thing it does is to push you to avoid difficult conversations, decision making, trying something new, social situations. It makes you believe that if you avoid this situation, you can avoid your pain. And then your brain keeps rehearsing worst case scenarios. Not because you're a negative person, it's just that it's thinking that if I can rehearse already, I can be safe later or I can be ready later. So, anxiety is not to hurt you or to make you feel negative. Anxiety is actually a protective mechanism by your brain, because your brain thinks all these situations that are making you feel anxious are threats, are danger, and it is trying to protect you by keeping you ready to face that danger. So if you want to come out of this, you have to train your brain to see these situations as real situations, not assumed danger or threats. So anxiety is not something to feel negative about. It is a message of your body and your brain to help you protect from things that are old conditioning, that happened in your old situations where you had to be prepared, and now your brain has learned to see small things as threats or danger, and it's trying to protect you by keeping you safe and then giving you all these symptoms and signals and behavior patterns. So if you're someone who feels anxious, you need to be around someone who can make you feel safe. So let's say if you're around someone who feels anxious, what can you do? First thing, let me tell you what you should not do first. First thing, you should not say calm down. You should not say, okay, take a deep breath or drink some water. Don't advise, don't give them any instructions, don't tell them to calm down, because that's not what they want to hear, because they already know that they have to calm down. So if you give them any advice, it becomes, they panic more. So you'll feel that they're getting more anxious. So if you're someone who has to take care of someone who's anxious, please sit down beside them and just tell them that I'm here. You can take your time. There's no hurry. I'm here. And first, calm your body language. So when you are around someone who's anxious, you don't become anxious by saying, okay, what happened? How do I take care of you? Start calming down first. First, calm down your nervous system and then sit down next to them and make them feel safe. So your calm energy will help them calm down. But don't give them any advice. They don't want to hear that. They just want to feel safe. So remember that. And if you have watched till here, thank you so much. Please like, comment, and let me know about your thoughts, and share it with someone who might need to hear this today. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you and take care of yourself.